Thank you for subscribing to the channel. More subscribe. Please subscribe to the channel. Send me a video be able to be able to submit me a cano in terms so.
Mati bonkoto, e ma koshifo, e ma jantrafo, e ma wo ma use wo ho use. Enti obedu aware mu bibia nso no. Iya begina social media kasa gabu. Enkwasiafo. People who glorify sex. Yeah, glorify the fact that you remember be breaded. When you remember be breaded, I won't worry ye. Na nyame ya wadum be mebia. Wa ye papa. Wo better of fine. Wonso na wa use obia wo wiase. The ane the son, the ane the sa, the afam, the amantam, the atetere, the echa, the enchaye. Ni nyina wa use bi. O free. Ni nyina wa use. Na se nyame ya wadum na ukosia be me. Wa fe na wakowa. Se si a unware yo. And you are glorifying the fact that you have slept with a lot of people and made something out. Hey, Ayana, Bible say nyame sira na many power the fool. Obredi man fa mi kan ho. Wo ye kwase ade na wonya bibia enkrofo enye ska wo wiase. Na o musika ahwere o mo no bebre o. Aya na ya me ya. E ma foolish girls. How mo glorify asawo. Omo glorify asawo. Ni enya enkrofo so tibon kosofo. Omo ko like it. Yes, waka. Where Jimmy? Na da we ni beba ho so no because the woman said abrabo said ye tie biara e bedroom baby wo be kai de wo ye nyina sabre na ye osu bre ni duru hono mo na we ni beba ho so say ye ura de kwase asembe na me ye efi se woni bibi Sadia Ganara Bodanfo, not to me be the hair you soon. To me be the hair was hard. Na bedroom baby on my chum. Oh, to me cry when he has find it. The drew baby no who's on fire who a jow honomo. Satan when you never who's a medin quasia semono. Now you're too late. Wouldn't tell baby when ye. He say you are not used to. You are not used to. It's a mema baby or a ma baby or. They are never satisfied with anything. No kwa, I get your kwa. Bear me ya nyehwi when you want it. Bear me ya we and young. If he says, I am a bomb, or I don't want to say hunters. I call on the omonam. Now, waba. It's one Jimmy Cra would be a cancer of Sasmati. The way and was yasem. William Crawford, one more yama boss had brana and neck. One more soup. Omunya zika broso. Oh. Omunya zika broso. Ebi ko mani ba o. Papa. Ebi tutu akwa. Na se obi kura de ebi kura na wo kura nche danye. Obi hon weekend bi ani ye de ne etu kwan ko baby. Ye koye shopping ho se shopping. O shata ade ho se won shata ade. Enye fozu. Ne so ene. Bebre di won se gunti. Obi wo hono ma say ade we ehun sunsun aso na ade ba ko hu say Bible say sinti dua de beba de na no so be dua ma me say de tie bia ehun sunsun aso beba me hu ade be won edru wonu edru bia edru kura ye papa because eyi bia edru bia ne sunsun aso wo hono say ada say wani be kum ada say be sayare no ada say be cause another way say wo ya causes effects. There are causes and their effects. So glorify Nkwasiasem. So glorify Nkwasiasem. So glorify Jantrasem. Na de owo no obi edru hon matra. Ebi ya wuni hwe. Wo ko obi diaries mu na abe wo se nipa no wo japa de pa. Ba nipa na hash. Eti mana. Wotiti fie na. Ejamai. You want to sample every man. You want to sample every man. You want to sample every zip. Baby asika will be a wubeko. no akọ Easter na wi akasa me dia ye di me nya say I am sorry for you. I am sorry for you. Obi so why anya ne say so what dear na me Israel. And listen, it is only God who blesses and adds no sorrows to it. It is only God who blesses and adds no sorrows to it. Ewurade penishira osun or how enka ho. Nti sabu me kan ni say na ye nyame asam. Na ye se kire de ye dey. Nti obonsam so hira o. Obonsam so hira o. Na obonsam hira wa. He will add sorrows to it. What the other timely? A very short lived. I bet you. You always have to do more in order to sustain it. You always have to do something in order to sustain it. Enya dia be permanent da. Kanya me ezi na twetwe. Say be permanent dia. Na nyame asem. Ehu yin ase e be dia akiri. Say obonsam hira na ye permanent. Hwe minim krofo obonsam hira won. Because obonsam hira they omo fa kwan bi so. E na omo de nya won ho. Omu wie no omu ye ade ente se de omu a bibia ko smooth ma ho bo ti o me no omu manyina abodam omu ti o me no omu mabo sesa omu ti o me ni na ade bia ade na yo ade na wudi sika na e koye no enyina ta nyame yensi na twetwe o ba ko si entu kwasiafo no beta ho obu a wagimi so there's no point baka nipa wodi wadwen befie. No one who dear one yamimwa. You wouldn't glorify Kwasiasem. You wouldn't glorify Kwasiasem. Glorify Asha, glorify Jantrasem. Bible Yaman, I'm sure. Wouldn't Yamichi. Now you say Yami. It doesn't matter, baby, I withdrew. God can always save you. He also won't answer. I told you out here, I say, I am wise, I am brave, I am a D&D, I am very intelligent. Why Jimmy Papa? Bible say the devil is the master of all lies. He will make you wallow in abject lies. Now I'm not dreaming say no. Bible say no man can your friend Papa say bonny. And your friend bonny say Papa. No man can your friend Papa say bonny. Let your friend bonny say Papa. It's oba jan training. Awo tifi wadada wose bese ni nkoda bese na me na nkohia bese na me nkoye wi opewa bu opewa sewo wo sewo dachi obewie na bebia wabra bone nam nyame behia wo a obeka se wo hia wo na Jezebel bia woni ko di ehia mu na wase wade ni o kan Songs of Solomon obeka kire wasi obema emfa wakoma mama na woba no waso ne me siesie ne paso na obeka kire se me siesie me paso nyina me de aduhwa maguso me kun ni ho enti bese na me no nkoda e de entia wasi wo pe wo am wani ama ho so wasi wo bedi na ti jonjonjo te se aboa ye kokunu aya kan nyame asem hwe wonni mu nyame asem you are the biggest fool in the world. So when you are the biggest fool in the world. You didn't quite say some now. Drew baby. Yamejiwa. And I won't quite idea say na way. And talk a fool be our coin. And some quasi assembly our cocky kind. A new idea be our coye. No one will say, was who dinechi, but dinechi John was say, who dinechi or cocoon or cocoon, Yakas or cocoon. Yes, or cocoons are the second or 2 minimum. O coon dachi. Remember, as your Monsamma, I just obey. Obey, no idea. No, I come, no idea. I was say, Unyamepe and Oba, no, I joke. We see you. Mama udakwa Just say so baby. Na wo bi. Na yere o se won mo. Bra me enkoda. Na so di nachi. Obi kura ho hu obi ase. Me ko wa ma no. Be jimi che obi a obi ase. Jimi che obi a obi ase. Say, do not have sexual relations with your brother's wife, for this will violate your brother. And do not have sexual relations with your daughter-in-law. Okay, remember that's a mekododo. Do not have by 14. Do not violate your uncle, your father's brother, by having sexual relations with his wife, for she is your auntie. And 15 will say, do not have sexual relations with your daughter-in-law, for she is your son's wife, so you must not have sexual relations with her. Papa Penny, what's your wish? What's your name? And Calabia, when you want better. Papa Penny, wow, Junior been a fuma. When you be a better, your uncrophobia or a busian guess a woman, when you be a better. Or a Juma guess a woman you be a better. Or a sudden guess a woman you be a better. Baby, or would be a Anna, you so will be. And not in a Biabe Penny, who was a calling him Cacrebia, I be Tim Nababecano. And was Sadia, why you cook one son? On one Cassanian association. How be you? As soon as I need a home. No one says sing kwala. To be a qualebia or Babatran, the Yirin chain, none another. A qualebia and the Nibiri, Nayirin in the Bayajuma, none another. Baby, be Pibia, none another. A yak to say, a yet to say, normal. Boom. Apart from so we are, you violate your own self. What's in your million views? Was yes, I never feel. At watching a bedroom baby, you'll be more of a liability for the land than a good than an asset. You'll be more of a liability than an asset. Said Yanka, microphone, Papa, Obi, suffer, be unqualing in Abban and Nimukutukutuno, Papa, honorable, a bonidini, dear, a Jaman Quasiadi. The office in AC on my software office in our violating office, you know. What's the way in your minipa? What the year minipa? What's the way in your major? And we are this assassin. I don't feel what watching it. I don't suit in an animal no. If you said the woman say Yamian Casa Yame or then why I was a channel. One more we are clear, one more was a channel me, you know. One more in Yami, and him saw any impact. One more rade, one also Tiawaka. See, he's the rewarder of those who diligently seek him. Osafo, can you call yourself say, "Hey, Nyame adwuma na wo ye, papa?" Osafo, "Hey, Nyame adwuma na wo ye na wo the office, church office, wo the aye pawn house yi." Hey, Nyame adwuma na wo ye na wo the church office. Wo the adani pono house. Church office. What the other pawn house? A honor who shepono, a honor only matida, a honor who young quasia. You are perverse. Now, dear, now we and Mammy Catcher saying, "You're not crown and just here." The first year within your maybe out sono, you are cursed. As if they don't even know. What's honorable? Honorable, our area. When they get in constituency, where we we uko a ministry where we be a bedroom bia eja maye ye pa adwuma to be a honorable na wuchi wondi ma men kan kira won kasa wonim ba bia wukọ na me brief you kakre said ye ehu no ka hu ka do sabe guti wasere urade Boniface papa mafun ye mu bebre we are desecrating the land ya say wo man na ye te so no ye di fia ka wo man no ye di ofia ka nyame adwuma ye di fia ka ba bia ye te opinion leader my foot krofo hu amutu di wachi sa omedi se ni papa wanso nim se di pa eni omo funu na wo ye okunkum bi na wo ri bi wo ni ebi ni mu nyinsan na ade anko a ade ni ebie so akira wo we nya wo ba bia se nkwala yi honorable here we have a friends nyame nipa adwuma wo mpanifo akwala young girl akwa school abre oba be pa adwuma kakra papa we ya itu nani ansiga yi so say me ne wa anade a me ma wa adwuma nyame wo ho oh nyame wo ho na me da bia me kama sem he me se wo pa kan from Genesis to Revelations ade nyame Bible ni nyina is about nyame ni nipa enante na nipa ewo ma na nipa che won ho aye bone na urade buafu na wa twe won so wa kunkum bi ebu a wa hye wan se mo bekoto na mo serena na wasan so apejam eno ti o se me man amabo wondi afre won obetwe won ho afiri won bone ho eja kwase asam ye eja tutu asam eja kwase ade papa rebusia na ufiri hwewachi hwa wo maame na papa bia na wudi nachi hwa area na ufiri baby na wote kura na map po hwehwe ho nyame allocate with the what na baby kwase ade nko na we man nyina de won ho agim man nyina de won ho agim and then maybe anya position kakra omo ne mamu anyina beda omo ne mamu bia beda woni driver da woni security da woni hwan da obi oni ni be business bia je so ne da obi oni ni be business bia obi so business je so ne da woni we da say I'm securing my position mama when you pass where Jimmy o mama when you pass where Jimmy na woni made a wugya na chi dia ma wo ma na woni wo fie na woni made a wugya chire dia ma wo ma na enu ti na oche wani na wo ma use cocaine no enu ti na oche wani na wo ma hiri no enu nyame yensi na twehwe o nyame yensi na twehwe anytime Israel for ni nyame na tin wọ́n nyame pe wọ́n se pepepe wọ́n se so makwa ne nyame hira won sa wọ́n sa top woni no me yo madwe sa woni no na wurade kunkum wo kum wọ́n na wo hye na wo say dey na bi ayi Sodom and Gomorrah enye nyame na bo okun wọ́n nyina o okun wọ́n nyina ye say Sodom Gomorrah ene environment nyina okun wọ́n odija hye o nyina no abreso wa fancy enkum pe nyina say bibia wo biasa. That is the God we are talking about. God is all loving. Listen. All loving. God can be sweet when he wants to be sweet. But that same God can punish you. Okun he mama kan cho say doctor. Okun enche na enye ne nwanwa sa o. Na anu he atore bi osofu bi ma peja mo ho te say de mu did asoro ho. Murezi de na anu Elijah ka kire urade say aka wonu ko a urade ka say ka wonu tum na bebre wo ho ya na yemu say I am the last prophet, I am the first prophet, I am the dear prophet. Onimu hwinimu. God can even raise stones to worship him. Meteha me bonkrofo deliverance will be manso. Meteha I make things happen through the Holy Spirit. If it says, "What did you mean, young man?" And can we answer for Quack? And we answer that I for me organization. Can we say here? God is more than enough. But don't tell you, because I didn't go to any idea what did you. enti ene kwa kwa yete se de obi kura ho no na se o ka nyame asema ene je se sa nipa no ye hu se ye hu nipa no na wasabe we a congregation way. What is your church office? What is your church office? Busa huma me muso asamo. And the coronavirus be we are see. Auditorium sakese air conditions yo. Ri nyina ye waste. What you say nyame esi na twetwe yo. And the coronavirus by auditorium sakese air jeje. Mu efe. Minim so fo botimi brage ade na air conditions a ehye na so dem nyina timi de brage. And you places, you know, if you are renting a place, let's say you are paying for it, and then your coronavirus have any pan man, sorry, any idea, and then we'll church auditorium, and if they say, I'm in a bar here, and our church auditorium, or congregation, you know, I am made up of the elites in society, I am made up of one, our hinfa. Sounds also the position, bra, ever see you debut. Have you had no? Penifo say emre eni nkaso baby a wo se bia no condition is ever permanent ye be you free home it is su ane ban a wo dey di won hwe ho yi maame asomasie a sabre wani abre wo ho na woni nkwala nketen wo sisi wo almost a jam person musiki on position ti madam so ne meda madam she da treke ni sa beto me brazil mu be yese sa obehu ana madam atreke no ne na da ene ko si sen mama ene ko si sen afo be wi echi na ta chi yi we free so na afro nkwase ade a wo yenya na twetwere wo yanko do not have 16 do not have sexual relations with your brother's wife, for this will violate your brother. Uni abema. Said the kind. Who was it? Minia, we are with me, my woman. We are with me, my woman. We are with me, my woman. Maybe I know. Inti, menene hirene eda. Obane palmecho. Said the menene tieno. And no palmecho. And I agreed to do it for. Are you crazy? Are you crazy? Do not have sexual relations with both a man and both a woman and her daughter. Or say, do not have sexual relations with both a woman and her daughter. Ubuha, okofa obi. No afa ne baka ho. Enti obako fo okofie ho no mo no. Ekwase ade na okoye ofie ho. Okofie no mo. One maame ne da. Maame ne hu no first. And of a boyfriend. And he went so and be who no. Who send him a many bow. The bunny a young. And then so started saying, what a name. And I feel the Daniel same baby. Thomas Stone, whoever. May thunder strike you wherever you are. May thunder. May the Lord's thunder. I strike you with it. What the other people? Todebia na wadwe nyina ya ose ubu nature kwasia would say you are fooling somebody. You are not fooling anybody. Wankasa ebedi wani ebe kontia. If you say wadwe nyina ne say I'm outsmarting this woman, menene bana da menene ma mene so da e di ntia ye be ma me ska. If I'm a baby, if I'm a misika, and I say, Emma, me no be ma me ka, ne bana so peme, it's me ne bana shisha hona. Are you all right? Are you all right? Are you that stupid? Bana say na oni enna, ene ne ba, enyina da. Ye wo maya bi so saa na omo tie. Wo mo so ne eja, ene ne ba, eda. Wani eja ene ne ba eda minimu bi okofa wahin ofa wahin a wani wahin ne wo ho no mo wie no wo san ne wahin no so ba esan so ti wani we da no ni we da ni we da no ni we da Do not have sexual relations with both a woman and her daughter, and do not take her granddaughter. Your man maybe why I almost say we are smart. I'm from say I'm a playboy. Me wherever I get to, I'm able to destroy. Yes, because I'm endowed. Nyame Israno. Enti odu baby a eno no de koye nkwasiade. Enti odu baby a woni maameda, woni ne bada, woni nananyina eda. Enti oba akofo ho no why no fanboy fan, mo sankofo no mo mpa adwuma no. Why no fanboy. No odi nkwasi asem sa. Nyame obebusa. Nyame ibubusa. Tenko. Anna or say they are close relatives, and this will be a wicked act. That will be a wicked act. It's a say why you're but it's also it's more decent. Go. Obi say while your wife is living, do not marry her sister or have sexual relations with her, for they would be rivals. Remember, be brave. When your baby ada, when I said, "What your baby?" Was so, and ne eda, and I do no count that no. Or Baba son and you book away. Nanny coon and an sister to eda. It be to me, yeah, abortions, abominations in the air console. Abominable act. But the woman say, Papa, Mommy, more news flash. Mommy, more news flash. Sanyo mana, oh, yeah, no, Ankasa won in soon, so. Ask why you're ready for it, or 1 year ready, a baba also. Nyame ebegu anima se wo hu ebekire wo wani begu ase wo ni omapa ebeka etire awari enye nyina usuban awa wo yiri enwu nyina usuban tore bia ne de akoda ma sa na masu no okikam ma menye den ubekomu no na ye enye obi a ejira usuban enkwase ade bi a waye kwasi ade bi apaye nyomofunu bi awaye ti duabo bi di nachi eno de abetena fie ho eno ba nso sebe esi ho na ewi akokọ anani abo eti oba nso akofa na aware no na nete ena be me bayi boni su ni nyina asem na nipa ne kan he no enioma wo ye no automatic ones e wo mu nyina aba ne so edit because be man akopeno once Ultimate shane so ultimate control onim se we yenua onim se wadafo ye obembe bi won ma he o gise we hu ne yira dafo one ne beda gise we hu ne yiri nia one ne beda gise we hu church member one ne beda gise eje nko a gise we hu church member one ne beda gise we hu obi oben no one ne beda obi we kire one ne beda nipa ne bepadwuma one ne beda obi betade one ne beda ede nko a what is na da kwa kofa samai. You are sleeping with everyone. You're scared just because you feel say you have the libido and you have the power for it. Oh yes, for me I can do this, I can do that, I can do this. You are very stupid. What's say? Do not have sexual relations with a woman during her period of menstruation, for it is impurity. Do not have any sexual relations with a woman during her period. But what do we see? What do we see? And it will be across here. Sebema no, that's our time now. And you cement your relationship. Then you have a stronger bond. Then you are very stupid. You have a stronger bond. And no need you might be brave about. There be the opposite can say any the Yamika and no correct. The opposite can say the name is a Yamin Yobia. If it's a woman who answer. Eti di nyame aka bia wo de o mfa nya asem. How do you go to that extent? Na time na boja sufi esese besen kon. Kusiana ebeda wa am fertilizer eno ankasa asai na ba besen kon. Sa brena payment mi hye no so kakra kakra. Sa bre o baby say, "Mommy, that's when I feel honey." Hey. Yeah, baby. That's when you feel honey. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. E be we chire. Na di bia because mama chire. Moja. Mama chire bi. Moja apam ana moja. Moja ade bia e attractive. Ahon. Me chire wa de. Moja attractive ahon. Both nyame ho. Any obunsama ho. Ye di moja ne frɛ wo. Me chire obibi. Ye di boja ne frɛ wo. It is a woni obi da. Obra. Wenya ne mensisa. Why na have an opportunity? Because mama can tell. Yesu be wu ye ene ma the way of atonement is sign you. Time Yesu me wu ye no. Ye kum mmoa. Ne di boja. Ne di apetepete. Ye kum mmoa. Na ye di ensa no boja ni. Ne di akoke conceptors. Ye kum mmoa. Itwa mmoati. Ne yi wo brebo, wo saabo. Bekai wo brebo wo liver ene wo kidneys na ene anwa sade e wo ho omo fa nya hwe omo yi ni nyina na ya hye ene e fa ne bent offering no bent offering na nya ho enam ni nyina na ye tai si ye hye radio yi the ye fatty side ebi ho so a kan o de ya kan the book of Leviticus ya kan beginning e be kire oni o ma bebre you be amazed. Eti e boja ne ye de ya apam eti woja ma wo nso ani abre na wadru u period the time na sese wo kura wo husie na wo ne be ma bi hia dodo na akro bo okra no nware na po wa wo kunkura on ne ti wo no enye Yesu a obe aton ni ya wo twa sa de ni ma ka oba kura Yesu onya ne mense sense so be ni ku oba obu ni sense so be ni ku yesi mani so bibia ye be mani. Udi ya kwa ye be man dey. One of these days me mo be kan mo. Man so bibia ye ni ko dia. Man me ho on na baby fufu. Eno na ma ayi nkrofo e bi nya bi o mo di gina so a o mo de yankwase ade bebre no. Na wo de time na sa boja na e bana esese o ti wo ho. Na sa bre na oni ahohom ko nya apam. Tie me e ahohom na ani o mu nya apam. Because ahohom no moja no na body friend dodo na wodi wachi dada o pe bibia ye dada ana wodi boja no so sa friend to wodi boja no friend no pe waba it is that time no no wa bonde it is a lot of my friend says spiritual marriages every baby time unya women's say on be machia Obi say, "Mommy, that's the only time I feel very honey." Idris Sabrina, I don't know. Yeah, but the woman say, "Why yes, auntie? Who ni team? Tie, it's Brenna moja neighbor. No, Sabrina person no kunshia. No renew the vow with you. Enya she, enyame in a reveal chair. No me unkonko. It is Sabrina when you are Brenna. Also say that's why I feel honey. Of course, he will make you feel honey. That time to feel honey ness on no boyfriend ekushia oni nipa na ne won kokoshia ebi a obi ku biku a wa mpana bi oni ne koshia the more a oni nipa no kokoshia oni ni shia ye abra that to me no enya it's a lot of mo amani abrea Mommy, benya ma I say me was spiritual marriage but every baby every day we you I want to na pam no take it place. And a pam bia ye di boja pam. Ye di boja any breaki. Enko. So I say, do not have sexual relations with your woman during her period of menstrual impurity. Do not defile yourself by having intercourse with your neighbor's wife. Ubu hon ma onye hu obi ku okotare ohu obi yire okotare ohu obi ku okotare you can see your neighbor not necessarily say obi ane ne bofipam obi a wono so te say wow no so aware ne ku aware ne yire wani mmere no obi hon ma be ma o ti area obi ku pie ya no akwhye wani ne yire koda ba o ti area obi yire 2 kwanya sister be da ho 5 days amen Desi awa sakro. Basadi eni nyina ya te santuma bi ni akekere saa na yari aba wontama no. Edi wa chi saa beduru hanom. Wa hwe ya afa wonti ase. Wa ya pambi wa ya nioma bi ense dan koyie. Obonsam nya hold na wurade se na so. Wonnim se woni padua no ye media na. Na obi biara wo be se ni padua na wurade se me mesew. Wa nga say you. Was a wow, be said in Nipedia. Wow, only need the authorization to do something with it. Now we may use to send Nipedia and the Iano. And would rather say or no with impunity or say. Well, I said the way you so had you grad and your momo. And why you want to call a water for why be? Awe ja wa kwa ware foforo oni tumi bi wa pam nti nyame anya wa do ma me ebi ma bi so ha obe ware pepepe so ni ani ji bi so ha obe ware pepepe awo mo we just say a story audio. I'm sure say next year dey beba. I'm sure say next 2 years beba emma because to me be I hope I'm not scary. Me chiro nyame asem. Eno no me duty. Ma nchire wa ma ye nyame boni. Na no Samuel kan say, me pese me ye boni etie nyame. Se me decide say me nchire wo die nyame asem. It is my duty to tell you, to show you. Diene me chira na wahu emu bibiri ho aye bompa ye still ye boni nigu but we don't see it ya yes anti akokwa yen yenko if you see your neighbor's wife, do not have sex with her. Do not permit any of your children to be offered as a sacrifice to any god. For you must not bring shame on the name of your God, for I am the Lord. Onkrofobi honma ya Ghana yo bebri honma binu ye trokosi binu honma woko te say dates ne so any ade antoanom ne ade yo onkrofobi ha ya sheda de omamom abusua bi ede ne babi bo ha na yesi obia oye boni bi di nipa betuaka onko no so she's serving ewo ho obi ho no ma na wawo na say anase bia papa no koye boni bi okodi obi ka de ade sad those times and a troco system. I don't know whether it's still there anyway. Now what in the ba no de akwakosi ewura say hwe na wanye bi na obi ho no kra na odi obi ka ye kan say bi fa na say bosompe wo kra ye kan say well odi obi ka na wa de papa ne ka papa ne say ne be ware oba na tika o say ne be ware oba na wa de ne ba na ma obi obi abebe ware ne ba this me ewura de bichi sanyoma ye huneti ni do not violate your uncle, your father's brother, by having sexual relations with his wife, for she is your auntie. Go on my draman ti akotena baby ofa ne say ofa be ma ewua wona ho ye do be ma ko practice ofa yiri dwamanfo bi wote ne nchen ana wosom no wa beti kitikiti ofa de apetition ekune hwa Eti papa no maame no ade wo and no dey replacement say I don't want to go outside. And because you see your uncle is your uncle, so why don't you just do it so that the baby will come from the family. And again, because you resemble your uncle, nobody will know. Now maame na so am entice you with something beautiful. Now when you and you don't want to sleep with your uncle's wife. Oh, fa. Ne be me wu. Wo de na de cover resurrection. Everybody say. Sa de na bia na wadwi nyina na say wo bo abusua no. E detestable. Let's obetwe waso. O ho be kire. Wo say na wo kan wo de e dru down no bi. Wasi ye be you ato atwene wo man nim ye ka se ye be you ato atwene wo man nim wasi wo man ne be few ato atwene ba bia wo te no e be few ade papa bi ekuta e be few e de ntia e be few because for the wa ye e bo an man out baby wo sister say wo ngo no so ni kun ena na ne ngo asmezi wo sister ono se won ene ya fa machine na your parents bi o nso timi tena se listen nyame asem ye nyame asem o enye me na me ba be kire ni mama ka say it is all right to do it. I know say to there be a software perverse that software be are able to even convince you say good now you can do it. Enti oh sister wo ene se ni kunu so ma pene so dia ene enye hwe say your sister na wo ama no wa na ka kire Forbidding sexual practices and only topic you know. So I say do not sleep with your uncle's wife. Enye bi da. O uncle ne be ma so as I out of form the be ma mu nya de ya the be ma nya adwuma the be ma so enya wo nya ma me kan kire o abrantie bia said you tie bia be yi o said you tie bia it doesn't matter your today o be yi o. There are a lot of people who didn't know said they were going to get to where they are today, but today they are there. It's a don't defile yourself by making and taking some decisions via a very affected with that. If it's a one here, Urefia, Unimu Crano. Joseph, Tamaya Tono, every Nicrum, Ninium no Tono, then a command, and then a call Egypt. No, Nippano didn't call Egypt, and also call Tono, the name Potiphar as a slave. And when if you are the Minini pass, who got a fabinum, who got a fib, Madame Pewasama, where we, and I'm a boy. Now, Madame Susan Castle, no better can hold ya, and Yanka where we. So Joseph can say they be. Or say, you must never have sexual relations with a close relative, for I am the Lord. And no one can enough. The second one was say, do not violate your father by having sexual relations with your mother. And you maybe have absurdities. How? And quite be so perverse. Any woman I know that. Be also mammy be one must be. Why Jimmy? Afrana dream. Into your be on status or church on one about bearman kakran. Qualani brim. Tiakolani got used to it. Tiakola kitwa on any mameda. When you do baby on any mameda. People do it. And then crofoko yesika drew. Omuni mamma no mother. Omunro omukoye no. Omu they sleep with their mothers. You must not have sexual relations with her, for she is your mother. Do not have sexual relations with any of your father's wives, for this will violate your father. Listen. If you are here, can say your father's wife. Maybe you have old dream. Say your father's wife. Oh, papa girlfriend. Eka hu. Obu ha who said papa ewo ne papa eware ne maame. ne papa ni obi twempra girl ni a small girl and so ne papa use na one no akoda the woman say wakasa wato no make sie abrodo da so e de ama hu yenko it doesn't you can say your father's wife and not necessarily say o papa yire o papa eba o papa girlfriend I yes small girl na papa ko ware young girl bi o se papa da pa de girl we kura so ya mi mummy side papa pa de mi mummy na me person wo so ni girl ni hyehyɛ na girl no so na ni age wo mumu ho it happens Also, for this will violate your father. Do not have sexual relations with your sister or half sister, whether she is your father's daughter or your mother's daughter, whether she was born into your household or somewhere else. May tell the genesis of your problem. When you know brother no that now we say oh near your mom and papa oh ma sache debut they said they all say wouldn't 18 years go we are gold one I need the akwakusi die. Does it make you clean? Does it make you clean? No, you are still very much guilty. You are very much guilty of that offense. Ache, as we do it, go. As I knew, man, and your how be unthinkable or how. Go. Do not have sexual relations, whether she was born into your household or somewhere else. Do not have, but your 10, no, or do not have sexual relations with your granddaughter, whether she is your son's daughter or your daughter's daughter, for this will violate yourself. What will go fi? Because we go fi, and yes, when you go there, spiritually you have violated yourself. What don't want to say now, okay? And over papa, now you heard papa penibi. No ane ne ba no de akwala na tena ne so na oba kwala na din enya me wai entu free mu wai na papa yede na ba beto na kwala ketwa na kwala ne bofu se da me mpesa papa ne ba na da sa bedru sabre na de ehu no se to de bia wo de ye nchi wo. You are violating a cousin, you are violating a brother, you are violating what I know who pedophile. And now we a young boy na wo fie ho. And now only kwada ne de dan kakra. Why do you answer we mama and papa? Hey, young boy, mama can't tell. Wo no me asun said e tie nie. No me what you say? A curse is a curse. You are doomed. I just hope we are the chow. Now come money. They will the chow. Obi a young boy tifie girls baby no go oni obi ada oni nuanum nyina oni munyina da oni obi ada e wo baby so honma wa jimiti bonkoso bode jiso obi anka je so ne beda ma me ne papa ne papa da won den e na enkwala mo so gudan ba ko omo ni omo ho de da saa na woni but it doesn't exempt you tinio ma na e koso wo abrabo mu efiri baby I start on say mumodo do na amba so na 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 so ti na wo kurase o se so da ma na me wo kurase me so da na me wo class 1 me so da da bi o so da na wo class 1 the classes na ye school no ye de gina ho literally e de ma say stages because who go school na determine say wo ko wanim eti ye de wo so da na say wo hu say me wo classroom na me wo crèche na me wo JSS na me wo we a kire wo say wa bra bo stop it at crèche kire wo say adekuna wo koye ana de esi wo wa bra bom no stop it wo kanko e wo JSS kire wo say new man course wo wa bra bom na wo dwen say you are gone no stop it wo bra bom it is a clock agina time na agina ho no betu kwan ko by hwa na agina enti eno nti na ya na wo be so na na wo da so okro kire wo se wa brabo a wo bo ye no ade bi e be frɛ mu no it stopped your normal flow, your normal process na wodi yin no wodi kɔ wani mu no wodi nya nsira no it stopped it at class 5 eno nti na ye school de kire wo no ya disem and dreams me have been gifted with that. But the woman say Awurade yi no wo bebuom nti na ode ma obi a wo he nyansafo hwe obi biare ni ho ahonhon konkro ni so a obetimi a kire oda yemu da kan correct because saade enye wo na me wo kan oda ya bi wo kra na me nim na mbusa ho say what does it mean, what does it mean? No wo kire mase no wo kire mase tu be kan be wi no wo kire mase eti wo be hu wo be say ma be na na bia na me classroom there bi kire wo say see a wodwen say wo we university e was okuta masters by natural fact your life is stopped at class 1 anu everybody becomes man makwatena Italy anye yi baba be sia Holland anye yi matro exams bi anye yi physical exams man pass abrabo mu so kra de ko na nanu ma me bompa yes ha de bia be so na me classroom we JSS ni class 5 ni class 6 ni ade afi de me na wo hihye pa bo ma ye boy ma nyame ko bi emi ne da no kra de me o se me re ho yi me fere ma mi hu ye no se na me wo crèche ti Awurade ka kire say ade stop e wa brabo no when you are bring now say God wo bom paya na Awurade ebie so no a kire where you are enti afo beti wani no say na wo chocho abo pampers kufu wadun so aboto wako toilet aboto na ade na mo ko 10 was do not have sexual relations with your grandfather, your granddaughter, whether she is your son's daughter or your daughter's daughter, for this will violate yourself. 11 also do not have sexual relations with your step sister, half sister. Umami ede wakoware papa bi ukoye no tie ukoye na papa no wone mma oso umami nso ede wonso ekwaware ni bi enkwala na waware mu nyina mu ye nuanom ede entia umami ne papa no ede mojafra umami ne papa no omumo jafra, so it makes you whether she was born elsewhere or otherwise. Woni eti won ka se we nyame maame ba enyame papa ba tina na na ededa obi kura kwa to the extent of having a baby with a sister, but who ye na wati weni ayira te se hwinsi da bi o abo nya na mkire o de nyame de ye me ka se me ne se sabre mu me meta na mekire mu obi kura ne papa o obi ni ni abe ma wo ba obi ho no ma kwala na wo no mo no efi ho no mo ko ho no abadwin se eye ono age no ne last born and so anya ne last born say please your number, I need to talk to you with you during this week, please. I need interpretation of a dream. Waba, their voice message if I told me, me are machine. Waba, when you are too free, I pretended to say the see. That's when you say, Moja friend had a woo be. I call out with him, some friend is a union, some friend is a uba. A lot of people. I could have abominable Kalana. I am only a woman of God here to interpret things to you. Do not have sexual relations with your stepsister, the daughter of any of your father's wives. for she is your sister. Do not have sexual relations with your father's sister. Father's sister. Unyi. Now papa. Omo last born. Unene boso. When you know we are the same age. And I say, okra bo wenyi chene kakra. U papa. Ne mame. O ne last born no time I papa nyi dada. It's again we are the same age. I know better now papa nchen because I any brother penny. Na so ne mun nyina am boso. E na mun nyina am gude. Na one nada. One na deda. Weni emu udwe. Odi nyameka. Odi nyameka. Odi abozamfo nso ka. Omo bedan oka regardless of years, months, days ababa trip. Yengo. I say, do not have sexual relations with your father's sister. Aye. For she is your father's close relative. 13. Or say, do not have sexual relations with your mother's sister. I mean, you have to play out the same. I mean, you have to so no ya wono we can onye ne na ne ma me kra e wono na ma me anyi dada ene ya wono ti ono kra ma me na hwe no bi wo kra na ne ma me ni wuntam enti e ya wo ma me a ye ni nua ba ene hwe na bi obetena mo nchen ba sa time na ma me so o wo wuntam ti wo kra wanyi chen na ono ne hye dem. Listen, I know what I'm talking about. These incidents esisi wo miamia bebre nipa bebre ni wonu anoma deda but eye ne se etwam but the truth is say boni ntwam said odi obi ka na se odi ne ka wo Ghana na otu na akwatra US ai ka na hye odi obi ka e wo China wa free hono mo ba betena Ghana ha e ka na hye anji you. We didn't know who says I didn't cry check. Oh, yes, wait, hey. Da wa be che no be bo mini mu se tito. I want have be say can say unti ai. The opebi a obetimi dia yen. Obetimi abodua e be ya adwuma. Obetimi report wa ma police say we to free on ma kwatra ma ifo so. Obetimi report wo dia ma Interpol ya de obeba. Obetimi ohun obetimi ajo so. Acho twetwere de atwetwe atete wata de atete Brazil nyina mu. Possible we dey ntia sika no ache na so wo de ne ka na wo ne ka wo de ne ka tubu ha young girl utifie enkrofo ne oda onuanom ne oda brothers ne oda mo ko hyi wi ba na wo de omo de wo ye practice nyame a wadom sesi awa ye all polished up we sesi on wo timi ko school kakra nti wanya ba bia je wa start adwuma fine wo bo belt ya kama wo body so kakra nti we jeja ho ne ade aware emma ede entia if you say what the mujafra you have gone against the laws of nature aware emma because you have defiled yourself, you have violated yourself. And you be na ye wa enso eduru baabi no when you ba ho so no wo kai but wo kai a na wo di akwa akwese wo subconscious mu wo kai o mu a wo bon pa ye na nyame a drop kakra no wa kai o no wa se dey here free o say we kra dey say see ya che well we dey search it is actually and now too now so that na feel church or any abre so that na feel Joe SS1 won't you say what a classroom what reasons be no feel won't you say e kira wo say baby a wo free ba no in fact one cross enko me meka no kura na kira wo ya pa but that's the truth and only idea enne na me asofo ye mu bebre ya nye ye ka no kura baby ansam wo na sese ye kira nipa na ni party me de ne ho na wo na ni ba ne ho so ye nkire to wo se ni ejeja ye ho sa na makrofo nyina adwe se bibia ye normal it catch us the atonement of sin and open a different but bonne said the Old Testament bonne tie no sa na New Testament bonne na me hu no but just a New Testament bonne no we dwan to Yesu a not the boja no wɔde ahohoro wo ho nyinaa wopa ne kyɛw a ɔso yɛ no kwafoɔ ɛne tenenini sɛ wɔde bɛkyɛw wɔagye wafiri ne yɛntene nyinaa mu nti adeɛ bi wɔ hɔ a alɔke hwɛ adeɛ bi wɔ hɔ a ho bebree hɔ no ma de alɔke ma awɔ ɛyɛ bibi ketewa bi palɔk ɛna ayɛ sɛ ɛna bibi aso mu sɛ sɛ wonya ka ɔbɔne ne wie a na bi esi pa wanka na yɛ sɛ woboro so wokyɛn so woni mu nneɛma wadi nkwasi asɛm bebree wa pretend.
Thank you for subscribing to the channel. Mo subscribe. Please subscribe to the channel. Send me video bi a me beto bi a mo sabetimi aka no in terms so